घूम जाओ यार ऐसे लाइट।
ये इधर आ जाओ उधर।
बस बस भाई excuse me।
वेट 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 भाई हट जा। हाँ ये
बस
लाइट
बस आगे मत जाओ, मुख पे मत जाओ।
चलना दे।
पहले जी यहाँ पर देखिए, पहले जी यहाँ पर सेंटर सेंटर
मैम वेट 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 वेट।
यहाँ पर देखिए, पहले जी यहाँ पर
मिला ही नहीं। आदेश।
थैंक यू।
मैडम
आज आपका समझो भाई चल जाएगा।
So firstly, very many congratulations अनदेखी सीजन 3 के लिए। क्या
Thank
कहना
you.
चाहोगे, कितनी एक्साइटमेंट थी आपको इस शो के लिए?
Of course, it's a very popular franchise, and I'm very excited to be a part of it. Let's see. I'm getting some nice reviews from my friends and family, but I want the audience to watch it and then tell me how they liked it. I am very excited about
Well,
it.
अगर फीडबैक की बात करूँ तो सबसे बेस्ट फीडबैक कौन सा रहा है आपके लिए?
I think it's from the directors that I've worked with before, and they called me and said that they really liked my work because उन्होंने मुझे starting से देखा था. So जिनके साथ मैंने start किया था basically when they saw me giving my first shot till now, so I think it matters a lot.
Well, Hilly, you know, टीवी से वेब शो और अभी अगर मैं बड़े पर्दे की बात करूँ तो कब बड़े पर्दे पर आप नजर आने वाली हो?
I wish and I hope that it happens very soon, but for now I am like focusing on OTT, and of course कुछ अच्छा feature film या something comes up, then anyway, I mean obviously it will be like an actor's dream to be seen on the big screen.
So what is going on right now, you know, except अनदेखी?
Right now I have 2 more music videos which are coming up, and there is one more show which I am working on, but वो मैं तभी बता पाऊँगी जब उसका कुछ आएगा, teaser trailer कुछ तो आएगा.
So थोड़ा opposite में कौन है, कुछ बता
कुछ
सकते
नहीं
हैं?
बता सकती अभी अभी I can only tell you about अनदेखी because it is out.
Well, आपके किरदार की बात करें तो you know what was the challenging part in your character?
I think my character, whoever has watched the show will know, and whoever will watch. So it has many layers. It's not like a straight. It's somewhere like she's doing her duty also, but she's falling in love also, and then in the same time, she's on a mission where she cannot expose her identity also. So there are too many layers, and that was like very challenging because when I'm with Papa Ji, I'm a different person. When I'm with the cops, I am a different person. When I'm in love with the guy who's opposite, who plays Lucky, then I'm a different, like, you know, then it's very heart to heart. So बहुत सारे different layers है, and I had to make sure that I play it right for the audience to get that emotion right.
Well, इतने different layers है, so अगर कोई एक layer से कुछ सीखना हो, so what is the one thing जो आपने you know adapt की हो?
I think actually वो काफ़ी similarity थी जो already my character name is Geet in the show. So what Geet and I have in common is, what I can tell you is, like, she's very honest towards her work. So in that whole season, even if she's falling in love and even if she's, you know, वो duty कर रही है, but करते करते she falls in love, she still prefers her duty to be before her personal life. Yeah.
Well, इसी के साथ साथ you know अगर मैं टीवी की बात करूँ तो अगर टीवी में you know if you get an opportunity, like what are you looking for? A good plot, a good story?
For now, I'm actually focusing. So this is my first OTT show, Andekhi. So I'm actually focusing more on the short format. Like, I want to do more roles. I want to explore more opportunities on OTT as of now.
Okay, what about reality shows? Which reality show you would like to do?
I don't know सब यही question क्यों पूछते हैं, but as of now, like I said, अभी ऐसा कुछ thought नहीं है, but I would love to act for a while. मतलब मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से, I mean I do music videos, I do other things, but काफ़ी टाइम से long format acting नहीं की है जो मैंने अनदेखी में की है. So now I want to, like, you know, really act on good projects as of now.
Lastly, message to your fans and viewers.
I would just like to thank them all for being with me from my first show till now. No matter whatever I do, you all have always been there for me. And thank you so much for giving me all the love. And please watch Andekhi season 3 on Sony Live and let me know how you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.